Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going for hunting crab, and we are going down to the river and see our squads is started. This is Mirpra, and then the other one is Chiuchi started. Yeah, come. yeah, let's go down. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is very slippery, Now I will show you our way. We are going down, and then if we are not careful, we'll come back with our head broken. Yes, the road is very steep, and then they're slippery, and you see the water is very less, but I'm sure we'll get more water down there. And yeah, they are going down, but see, I'm very slow because because of many things. Okay, see you guys later. Yes. Oh yeah. This is our way, and then here I am. Hi. Can you see me? Wow, this is called. What do you say this one? Just show me.
Walnut.
Oh, walnut. Yes,
Yeah,
this
walnut.
is walnut.
You want to take it?
Yeah, collect.
Okay.
If you have, you can just collect it.
The trees are there. I don't know. Be shit. I go though.
But, yeah, see this one. Yeah. I pick up this one. I got this. Take this. Oh, chalo.
So this is Koei. We are cribbing today.
Today.
Yeah, I think he's almost getting it. Why isn't he? Dangona choto babula ase.
Dango, choto, dango.
Oh, dango ekta paise.
Hey, it was today. See, do you see this? Yeah, this is called kekra. We call kekra. Tali se de. I'll drop, okay?
Okay. Chalo. Ay.
Today, now we have reached the place, and then we are just about to make fire, and there are our squads. That is Mirpa, and then this is Rato making fire. And very soon I will.
Fireman.
This man is cutting the, what do we say it?
The mongso.
Mongso. So we call mongso in Nagamis as
And meat in English.
meat, and we eat. Yes. Now we have started cooking. See, we are cooking beef. Okay, beef. What beef we call elephant meat? No. Donkey meat? Nah. Not donkey. Cow. Yes, cow meat. Okay, that we call beef. But the problem is started raining. We don't know whether we can be able to eat our curry or not. See, it's raining, and then কি উপায় না নদীতে যা আছে moreover পানি গিরে আছে, and then খুরি can be it's not dried, and then ইটা জুই ওলাইছিলে পানি গিরে আছে সামিছি. So we will go back now, and we will not eat. We will not eat here, but we will go back. Today, because of rain, we could not have our lunch, and then we are coming back. But we are so lucky that this musky raw we got. Yeah. Afterward, we will show you. And see, Dixie. We are taking back our Dixie, and then we're going to go up here. See, wow, this is a nice place. I will show you later. Okay. Hey, pathor to na giride. Wow, see upar de. Wow. You know, today we had a worse party. Well, we thought we will have a nice curry, nice food down here in the river, but unluckily we are caught by rain, and then we could not have our lunch, and then we are coming back. Yes. You know, I will show you one good place, okay, where people used to trap a bird, and then, you know, one good waterfall without water, okay? I'll show you one waterfall without water. Do you see that? Yes. See? Did you see that? Upar there? This is a nice place, but I'm so tired. Moreover, I'm hungry, okay? So, I'm hungry, okay? But if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Chalo! Bye bye! See you tomorrow!